What's up, everybody? It's Sum, and today we're diving headfirst into the wild world of viral life hacks. You know those crazy tricks you see online that seem too good to be true? We're gonna find out if they're legit or just a load of baloney. We've got 10 of the most popular life hacks lined up, ready to be put to the test. Will they be epic wins or massive fails? Stick around to find out. First up, we're tackling the dreaded nail polish spill. You know the feeling? One minute you're painting your nails, the next minute it's all over your hands, your clothes, the carpet. It's a nightmare. But fear not, because the internet has a solution, a simple cotton ball. Apparently, if you press a cotton ball onto the spill, it'll soak it right up. Let's see if this hack really works. Boom! It actually works. No more frantic scrubbing or ruined surfaces. This hack is a lifesaver, and it proves that the simplest solutions are often the best. Alright guys, next up we're diving into the delicious world of mangoes. Now I love a good mango, but cutting them can be a real pain. But guess what? The internet claims that all you need is a spoon to slice a mango like a pro. You just cut the sides off, scoop out the flesh with the spoon, and voila! Perfectly sliced mango every time. Okay, let's see if this actually works. And there you have it. Perfectly sliced mango, no knife required. I gotta say, this hack is a game changer. It's so much easier and less messy than using a knife. Alright guys, for this next hack, we're gonna need our toothbrushes and some toothpaste. No, we're not brushing our teeth, but we are gonna try something pretty wild. The internet claims that you can actually clean your sneakers with toothpaste. Apparently the whitening agents in toothpaste can help remove scuffs and stains from your kicks. I don't know about you, but I'm a little skeptical about this one. But hey, that's what we're here to find out. Chapter 4. Wine not? Frozen grapes to the rescue. Alright, wine lovers, this one's for you. Ever wish you could chill your wine without watering it down with ice cubes? Well, the internet has a solution. Frozen grapes. Apparently, popping a few frozen grapes into your glass will chill your wine in minutes without diluting the flavor. This sounds like a total game changer, but does it actually work? Let's put it to the test. Wow, the grapes are actually chilling the wine. And the best part? No watered down taste. Chapter 5. The 2-second phone charger fix. We've all been there. You plug in your phone to charge, but the charger keeps slipping out. It's one of the most annoying things ever. But fear not, because the internet has a solution. A simple knot. Apparently, if you tie a loose knot around the base of your charger, it'll stay put. Let's see if this hack actually works. And there you have it. The charger stays put, even if you tug on it. No more frustrating moments of your charger disconnecting in the middle of the night. Chapter 6. Ironing with a hair straightener? You better believe it. Okay, this next hack is for all you fashionistas out there. Ever need to iron your clothes but don't have an iron on hand? Well, the internet claims you can use a hair straightener in a pinch. Apparently the heated plates of a hair straightener can smooth out wrinkles just as well as an iron. This sounds a little too good to be true, but let's see if it actually works. And there you have it. The wrinkles are gone and the shirt looks as good as new. Alright guys, this next hack is for all you DIY enthusiasts out there. We've all been there. You're trying to remove a screw, but it's stripped, and you can't get a grip on it. It's enough to make you want to throw your tools across the room. But fear not, because the internet has a solution, a rubber band. Apparently if you place a rubber band over the head of the screw, it'll give your screwdriver something to grip onto. Let's see if this hack actually works. And there you have it. The screw is out and we didn't have to call in a professional. This hack is a lifesaver, especially if you're prone to stripping screws like me. Okay, this next hack is for all you ice cream lovers out there. Ever try to scoop rock-hard ice cream and end up with a bent spoon or a sore wrist? It's the worst. But fear not, because the internet has a solution. A frozen spoon. Apparently, if you keep a spoon in the freezer, it'll make scooping ice cream a breeze. Let's see if this hack actually works. And there you have it. Perfectly scooped ice cream. No struggle required. Alright guys, it's wintertime, which means it's time for static cling. You know the feeling you put on your favorite sweater and it's stuck to you like glue. But fear not, because the internet has a solution: dryer sheets. Apparently rubbing a dryer sheet over your clothes can help eliminate static cling. Let's see if this hack actually works. And there you have it. No more static cling, just soft, comfortable clothes. This hack is a lifesaver, especially during the dry winter months. Alright guys, this last hack is a weird one. The internet claims that you can actually clean and shine your leather shoes with a banana peel. Apparently, the potassium in the peel helps to remove dirt and grime, while the natural oils leave a nice shine. I don't know about you, but I'm a little skeptical about this one. But hey, we're here to test out the craziest hacks, so let's do it. And there you have it. The shoe actually looks cleaner and shinier. Alright guys, there you have it. 10 viral life hacks put to the test. From rescuing nail polish spills to shining shoes with banana peels, we've seen it all. Some of these hacks were surprisingly effective, while others left us scratching our heads. But that's the beauty of life hacks. You never know what's going to work until you try it. So, which hack surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more crazy life hack experiments, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Got a life hack you want me to test? Drop it in the comments below, and you might just see it in a future video.